engine and motor. Then this system combines these with the power split device to achieve high energy efficiency. This is the Toyota hybrid system. Each unit has been developed specially for the hybrid system. For the engine, the maximum thermal efficiency has been raised and both low fuel consumption and low emissions achieved. The motor is compact and high efficiency to achieve smooth acceleration. The generator uses the engine rotation to generate electricity, which is sent to the motor and the drive batteries. It is also used as the engine starter and provides smooth engine starting. The power split device contained in the transaxle is Toyota Hybrid Core technology that divides the energy output from the engine between electrical generation and driving according to the driving conditions. The power control unit is the core of the hybrid system. It controls the electricity to provide appropriate amount to each unit. The drive batteries store the generated electricity and supply it to the motor to drive the vehicle. There is no need to recharge from an outside power source or to replace the batteries periodically. They also provide superior durability and heat resistance. Toyota hybrid units have the reliability made possible by years and years of design development and continuous progress. For a Toyota hybrid vehicle, when not moving, all units stop and there is no wasted energy consumption. When the vehicle starts off, the motor drives it quietly and smoothly. For driving at low speed, the motor is used to achieve low fuel consumption. During acceleration, motor drive is combined with engine drive in a rotation range with good engine efficiency to drive the vehicle powerfully, yet with low fuel consumption. The engine drives the vehicle and charges the batteries at the same time to raise the energy efficiency. During deceleration, the rotation of the tires drives the motor to generate electricity to store the power into the batteries for reuse. In this way, a Toyota hybrid vehicle runs the engine in a rotation range in which the engine has good efficiency and that matches the driving conditions and reuses energy that has been wasted until now, and achieves low fuel consumption driving. The Toyota hybrid system is advanced technology that achieves both driving fun and superior environmental performance.